Okay, lovelies. So I finally figured out how to publish my second Feng Shui video on YouTube today. I had put it out as a private video and I put it online and my husband was watching it and he said, yeah, but what does this mean? Like, what does this mean if you don't know what Feng Shui is? And I was hoping to record that video after I put out all 3 parts of my Feng Shui extravaganza, but I felt like I could probably pop on and hopefully do a fairly brief explanation of what Feng Shui is and why it's important. I'm grossly simplifying it. There are people that dedicate their entire lifetimes to studying Feng Shui and putting it into principle. This is just like, what did Paul ask for? A kindergartner's explanation to Feng Shui. Basically, Feng Shui is a way to harmonize the energy in your space so there's a certain kind of flow. And what that means is, like, say you're trying to get a promotion at work and you would like to enhance your possibility energetically of getting a promotion at work. So if you remember from my Feng Shui videos, the career and path through life area is the water area. So you would go into the area of your space that lies on the Ba Gua, where the water area is. Actually, I'm gonna grab my book. Hold that thought. Okay, I know that the book is upside down, but this is the way that I present the Ba Gua, and this, oh, there's this, no, there's not different. Yeah, it says the front entrance is the knowledge. So it's upside down, but this is, these are the places where you enter. Like, these are where you can place the entry into a door, a house, a room. So I'm gonna have this upside down because this is what we're focusing on right now. I'll just turn it the right way. So we're talking about, you want to get a promotion at work, or you want to enhance a new business venture. And Paul, my husband's starting his own business. You want your business venture to be successful. You want to get your promotion at work. You're focusing on this area of your house to kind of give yourself an energetic advantage and have more security in securing that promotion, or have more security in enhancing that new business, or changing careers, or, you know, changing your life, you know, could be spiritual pursuit or something. But anyway, so basically we're going to take the promotion at work scenario, and this is work, career, and it's the water area. So for instance, what can you do? You can take one of those little plug-in fountains and put it in this area of your room, wherever this area of your room is, and it will make it more likely that you will get the promotion that you wish for. And now there's also an element of, I feel, intention in there. Like, you're not just going to put a water fountain in your water area of your space and be like, okay, give me a new job. You're going to, like, picture what there's a lot of visualization involved. You're picturing what it'd be like to receive that promotion. You're feeling how it feels to get that increase in salary. You're putting yourself in the position of being this person who has this promotion, as you're also at home or on your desk or in your office you're putting an element that stimulates the water area, which is the career area, in place. I don't know if that makes sense. So basically, why use Feng Shui? Because you're trying to give yourself an advantage over just luck and hard work and being a good person. You're giving yourself an added advantage over these basic things that you've cultivated over your lifetime, and you're creating a space at home or in your office or in your neighborhood. You're creating a space that supports what you want. I don't know if I need to say more than that. I'm going to let my husband check this out. Thanks. Oh, and then this is, so that's why Feng Shui. And what is the Ba Gua? I keep saying Ba Gua because I'm from Chicago, but it's a Ba Gua. And so this Ba Gua, it's a map. You can see the Ba Gua is here. Here's the map. The yellow part is the map. And then this square is your space. So if you're looking at your space, you have a drawing of your space. You're like, well, where is the career area? Bing, 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 bing. Here's the career area. So if you enter your room from this door, you know that your water fountain is going to go right here in that space. So this is the map that contains elements, and it shows you where, like, what elements to put in what direction. So this is the water area. So you know, if you want to enhance your career, you're putting a water feature in this area, or an image of water, or a wavy picture in the career area to help you get the job you want. And now I'm going backwards. Oh, I can't do it upside down and backwards, sorry. But at any rate, I know for sure this is the fame and reputation area. You want people to think you're the greatest Instagrammer alive. You're going to put something from the list that I showed you in my video 2 of my Feng Shui that enhances the fame and reputation area. You're going to put flame, like candles, a bunch of red candles or purple candles in your fame area. And how you find where exactly is my fame area is you put this map, the Ba Gua, over a layout of your space, and you come in and you're like, oh, here's my fame area. Here's where I put the candles so that I'm the most famous Instagrammer in the land. And if I'm going that way, this is the relationship area, I think. Don't quote me on that because, again, I'm upside down and backwards. But, like, you want a new love. You want a relationship that supports you and makes you feel happy. You're going to put earth. Remember, earth is in the relationship area. You're going to put a pair of clay pots with yellow flowers in this area of your room, in this area of your bedroom, in this area of your apartment, in this area of your office. This is the key to show you what to put and where. You lay this key over the layout of your space, and then you can see, okay, yeah, I want to have more friends in my life. I'm going to put metal in my friends and travel area, helpful people area. So yeah, hopefully that explains what we're talking about. I have to put this book down now because it's really heavy. But I'm going to let my husband check out this video and tell me if it's a yay or a nay. So maybe you'll see it. Sorry, I just realized I'm staring at the book and talking to the book instead of talking to you. Hope I never have to do this again. That was very intense. Looking at a book backwards, upside down, and inside out. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you understand more about Feng Shui now.